Talofa and welcome to the Speak GP for our assembly. I'd like to welcome up Fabian to start our assembly up for Karakia.
Into for the school Karakia, please. Close our eyes, bow our heads. It's Yariki.
I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning and my health. I promise to support my heart.
Please remain standing for the national anthem.
Shops of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God defend New Zealand.
I would now like to call on Fire Steph to address the school.
Ata mare e tamariki ma, whānau ma. Hope you've had a great weekend. Just a few notices for the week. Just a reminder about student whānau teacher conferences next week. Do you know whether your parents have already signed up? Do you know how to help them so that they can sign up themselves? Do you know what you have to prepare for your conference? Check with your teacher if you're not sure what I'm talking about. And maybe just check with your teacher if you know that your parents can't come. Could they have their conference with you over Zoom? In addition, do you know how to log into your Mathletics, Reading Eggs and Book Creator accounts by yourself? So we've got the holidays coming up. You've still got a lot of work to do before then, but it would be good that you know how to do that. So during the break time, if you get bored, when you get bored, you can log in. Now, over the last 2 weeks, we should have had 3 sets of drills, but unfortunately the rain stepped in. What you need to make sure that you know is the different types of bells. So it doesn't matter whether we have a drill or a real event, you know what the bells are and you know how to respond calmly. Now, we've had a few parents and a few students who have been complaining about student behaviour. Keep it kind, whānau. If you're getting frustrated with others or yourself, don't take your anger out on others. Go and ask for some help. Go and see our student leaders, your teacher, or another trusted adult. A reminder following on from last week, please, you are not to leave the school grounds to go to the shop either before school or after school. And if you have got a sibling who's at sport or at mates, you need to get your parents to ring me so that we can talk about it. There were too many children here after school and it's not safe. We don't have people to supervise you. Some good news, after COVID, our tuck shop have said yes, they can continue to keep going at our school. But I would like really your ideas about what menu items should stay and what menu items should go, and whether there's some other things that you would like to have available at our tuck shop, but they will have to be nutritious. So as you can see by the next slide, the health organisation says a maximum of 6 or between 6 and 12 teaspoons of sugar a day, but 6 is the optimum. And you can see some of those items have well more than 6. Okay, and finally again, a huge thank you to our student leaders and for Mrs. Ahmed for supporting them. They do a great job leading our school and making sure our school culture is the way we want it to be. So thank you again. Have a great week.
Thank you, Fire Steph, for those messages. Can Mr. Isas please tell us PB for our focus for this week?
Thank you, Mr. Easthouse. I hope that everyone will learn the PB4L for this week.
Student leaders have been busy this week. Let's see what have they been up to.
The playground looks like at break times.
My name is Dallas and I'm a sports counsellor, and today I'll be explaining what this pig vest means. The pig vest means whenever I'm wearing it on the playground, I am here to help children when they are stuck, when they need help, and if there's any problems, I'm here to solve it. When you're on the playground, just remember no playing tag when you're on the playground because you could bump over the little kids, and also no running around.
During the evacuation, remember to stay calm and don't panic.
Remember to stay with your class and tell your teacher where you're going.
Fire drill bell. This is the lockdown bell. Earthquake bell.
Tamariki waiata mai ako mai.
Guys, you sing the song.
Te traki hana pero e. Na kuri e pahu pahu ana. Na hoi ho pone pone. Na poti. Na kune kune. Na reme kai te hia kai rata. Na kau kai krahe e. Na rapeti e peke peke ana. Na raki raki. Na hei hei. Anai anō tamariki ma. Te traki hana whero e. Na kuri e pahu pahu ana. Na hoi ho pone pone. Na poti. Na kune kune. Na reme kai te hia kai rātou. Na kau kai krahe e. Na rapeti e peke peke ana. Na raki raki. Na hei hei.
That brings us to the end of our assembly. Hope everyone has a great week of learning.